I was a little upset that this doesn't fit. The other one was like a 3-week wait, and I ain't want to wait. Feels more expensive than it is. That's what I wrote down. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arielle, and today we're gonna do an Amazon Valentine's trial. Now everything doesn't fit exactly how I would like, but this is a real trial. So I'm gonna show you the two small stuff as well. I'm actually gonna start with the smallest thing, which is this 2-piece red pant set. We have a bodysuit and then the pants. This is the biggest size they have, which is XXL, not 2X, XXL. And they have this outfit in multiple colors, and the largest size is XXL. Now, the reason I got this, I saw a girl on TikTok. She's a really big TikToker, but I can't remember her name right here. Right now, so I'm putting it right here. I saw her wear it a while ago, and I saved it on my Amazon finds. And as I was looking for Valentine's clothes, I went and saw that, and I was like, oh, let's try that out. Now, that looked really good on her. Everybody I've seen wear it looks good. It just don't fit me. It's too small. It's extremely too small. The bodysuit, usually I don't worry about fastening the bodysuit, but I couldn't if I wanted to with this one because it is too small. It doesn't come down enough. It's just way too small, and it is an XXL. Now I found this outfit from 2 different vendors, and I went with the one I picked because the other one didn't have my size. I don't know if the quality would be different, but I'll link exactly where I got mine from. Now the quality of this is really good, like extremely good. It just don't fit me. I was a little upset that this doesn't fit, but if it was a 2X and not an XXL, I think I would have been okay. I definitely would buy it in my size. I think it would look good on any body type if you can fit into it. Work, out with your friends, out with your boo. This is good for literally all Valentines, and even not Valentines, really. It's just cute. And I really like the frilly, like it's such a simple set, but the frillies make it cute. I just can't do nothing because I can't fit it. I guess in a way I'm doing my least favorite to my most favorite. Next up is this pink dress, and I do not like this dress at all. So I should have did this first because I really don't like this dress. I like the 2-piece set better. I just couldn't fit it. But this dress, okay, so I got, hold on, XXL, which is their biggest size. They do have multiple colors, and I feel like they have some with long sleeves and some with short sleeves, but I'm not 100% sure. But my issue with this dress, it is very thin, like very see-through, very thin material. When I first saw it, I saw a shorter version, so it was one where the slit was much higher, and I already knew it wasn't gonna work for me, so I kept looking, and then I found the longer one. But when I put it on, it was just as short as the shortest one looked in the picture. So I was like, I feel like they got me on that one. The material is very cheap. It's thin, see-through. It's nothing really special about it. The color is nice, of course. It's just a pink, but I mean, that's it. I was planning, I had plans. I wanted to tape my boobs up and oil myself up, and I thought this was gonna just be, but this didn't. I felt like I looked silly. So yeah, it is cute. Would I buy it again? Absolutely not. It's thin. Would I recommend it? Honestly, no. Maybe if the original link I found was better quality, because I feel like I did get it from the not real one, if that makes sense, because there were 2 different vendors, and I went with this one because they had my size and I could get it immediately. The other one was like a 3-week wait, and I ain't want to wait. Yeah, definitely going back. It has a V-cut, some ruching. It can do good hiding your tummy if that's something that you want to hide, but when you sit down, it's gonna be exposing a lot. So I just feel like it's not really worth it. I don't think anybody should really. No, it's just a no, 100% no. Next up is my little red dress, and I think I saw this on TikTok too from the same girl as the 2-piece set, but I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, if you go on Amazon, you look at the reviews, you will see everybody who's wearing one of these dresses looks amazing. Every body shape, every height, everybody looks amazing. Okay, this dress is red. It has ruching all the way down. It is, you can wear your the crossover on the right, or you can wear the crossover on the left by simply flipping it. It's the same way both ways. I like that. My favorite thing about this dress is the quality. It feels way more expensive than what I paid. It has lining. It's not like a hard lining, but there's two separate pieces of material. So it's the part that actually ruches, and then the part that's on your skin, like on your body. And I feel like that helps with smoothing everything out, making you look more put together. My dress is an XXL. 4XL is the largest. They have multiple colors. And oh, I put struggle to put on. It's very hard to put on. The quality is good, but it is hard to put on. And I think it's just because of all the ruching, and being that you could put it on for the left or the right side, like pulling it down, it starts to like roll up. So it's like hard to pull down. But once you're in it, everything's fine. It's just like, yeah, you definitely have to make sure you have your bonnet on. You know, you got time, because you will get frustrated, and especially like over the boobs, if you got big boobs, you got big stomach, big butt, anything that's protruding out, it's going to be a struggle to pull it over because the material starts to roll up. But besides that, what else did I write? Let me see what else I wrote. So I wrote true red color, struggle to put on, good quality, double-sided, ruching on top. Like, yeah, I said everything I wanted to say. Probably the best quality dress I've ever received off Amazon. And there's so many reviews, so I would definitely check them out. Literally everything I'm saying, check it out, because just because I like it or I don't like it doesn't mean it'll be the same for you. But the reviews is what made me decide on buying this dress, and the colors that they offer, I would 100% buy this dress again. Now to my favorite thing, okay, this two-piece pink pantsuit. I got it in an XL. The XXL is the largest. I got the XXL first. It was way too long and just too loose at the top. It just made me feel a little bit frumpy. So I went down to the XL. It has multiple colors and half colors. So there's like one side of the shirt will be red, and then the other side will be white, and then one side of the pants will be white, and the other side of the pants will be red, like that. Oversized, size down. It's breezy, comfortable, perfect material all year round. Feels more expensive than it is. That's what I wrote down. And the reason I wrote this stuff down is because I didn't want to forget how I felt about it when I tried it on, because that was my first time trying everything on. I wasn't sure if XXL or XL was going to be good, but luckily I had both. XL works. This, hold on, is it messing with my color? This shirt, first of all, definitely buy more colors. I'll probably end up with all the colors as time goes on, because it's so beautiful. The colors are nice. It feels way more expensive than what it was. The quality is nice. I washed this already and still feels good. I like that there's no tags, because tags always bother me. That's something minimal, but I do like the little designs on the buttons. It's just cute, intentional, relaxed, comfy all year round, because it is breezy, but it also has some weight. It's hard for me to explain, but it doesn't feel like, it don't feel heavy at all to the point where like, oh my gosh, it's spring and I'm sweating. Like, no, this is literally all year round, perfect material. I like the length on the pants for these ones. XXL was way too long, they were dragging, and like I said, it looked frumpy. But now this one, definitely size down. This is the only thing I'm gonna be like, yeah, everybody should have one of these. I do think everybody should have one of these. Other stuff, you know, do what you want to do, but yes, you'll see this again. This is my favorite thing. I feel like I looked the best in this. I felt the most comfortable. And like I said, this was just a true try on. We're trying to get ready for Valentine's Day, okay? We don't want to wait till the last minute. We want to get these things, see how they fit. And if they don't fit, we can go back to the drawing board before Valentine's Day. So yes, everything will be linked in the description. I feel like I'm rushing, but I think I said everything I want to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.